Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy lace front wig installation video. So if you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to stay tuned. So we're gonna hop right in. We're not doing nothing else but hopping right in. So yeah, today's wig I'm using CHANTICHE lace wig. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name of the company right. If I did not, please forgive me, you know. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. I'm not sure what happened during the whole UPS trip or how it delivered, but it was a little ripped. But this is the box that it comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and show you guys what's inside. So when you open it, you're gonna get a wig cap. This is one size fit all. Also in the box is a pair of lashes. I don't know why it's not focusing, but this is what they are, the pair of lashes. Looks like this. Inside the pouch, I believe there is something inside. You're gonna get a, if I can get it out, you can also get a band. That way if your wig is too big, go ahead and sew this on. So yeah, I always love these. These are extra handy. Last but not least, inside of here is the packaging of the hair. Y'all, I'm super excited. This is what the hair is looking like. It's nice and secure. Alright, so this is a 360 lace frontal wig. This is 20 inches long. The color of this is going to be a natural color. The density on this unit is about 150%. The texture, of course, is kinky straight. As you guys can see, the kinkiness, I'm in love with kinky texture right now. So super excited. As you guys can see, it's kinky. The cap size is going to be a medium. The lace color is a medium brown. All right, now this is the standard construction of the wig. You see there is 3 combs sewn inside around the perimeter, the side and the middle of your head. There's also a comb down the bottom along with drawstrings, and like I said, you do have the band that you can sew on if it's too big for your head, because this is actually a medium cap size. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, this hair is so freaking thick. It's so pretty though. Alright, so one thing I like about this unit, it's not even on properly. One thing I like about this unit is it's already pre-plucked. I do appreciate that, because sometimes, you know, we have a hard time plucking. It's very time consuming to pluck. So when companies go ahead and take their time out to pre-pluck it, it just makes our experience better. This is the parting space. You have from here to here, so pretty much this room a parting space. The lace, the knots on the lace are already bleached, so we don't have to worry about doing that. As you guys can see, from thickness, from the root to the tip, it's thick. Like, you know, sometimes companies have it's thin, it's thick up here, but it gets very, very thin. It's actually thick from the root to the tip, and I freaking love that. And also, it does have baby hairs. You don't have to worry about making them out yourself. You can just go ahead and part it. If you want to keep them this length, you can, I know I look stupid right now. It's not already on, but you can part it and you can make these baby hairs shorter and go ahead and swoop the doop and do your do. But I'm so freaking excited to go ahead and install it. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright, so off camera I cut off the lace, and then I also cut off the tab so it could fit to my head. This is what the wig would look like if you didn't glue it down. You can just wear it like this and put your baby hairs down, but I need more security because I'm going outside in the wind. We don't want it blowing. So I know I look crazy right now, so I'm going to take some clips. So I'm going to take some clips and pin her back, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the area. I'm going to put the glue, the GOTHCU hairspray on so it can stick. And I notice when I do this, the hair sticks very quicker and very faster versus when I just stick it with the foundation on my head in that spot. So I'm just going to shift this back. Yes, my head is big. Y'all already know that sucks. But my head is big AF. But that is not the point. And I'm still growing my edges back, so don't come for me because it's balding right over here. But anyway, take some alcohol and just clean up that area. So I'm gonna start with the middle like I normally do, making sure both sides is even. Why do I always have cotton? Like, oh yeah, because my chair. So yeah, I'm gonna spray it in the area I'm gonna work with first, which is right up in here. This is the area I want to lay down first. You can start with the sides, but I prefer just to start with the middle and then attach the side. So I'm gonna take my dryer, and on the cool set-in, I'm going to dry the hair for 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna place it down and then hold it and dry it. Alright, so if you have a rat tail comb, you can just put it in place and then blow dry it again on the same cooling setting for about 30 more seconds. So I'm just gonna repeat the process throughout the whole head. So now I'm looking all types of crazy. We're gonna put her back so she can sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to fully dry. We don't want her coming up at all, so that's what I'm about to do. Alright, now I'm going in with the hot comb to straighten out these edges. So I'm gonna put some heat protectant on it so my hair stays protected.